welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheri. Today I have a very special video. I'm really excited about this. I recently ordered the Magic at Your Door box. I've never ordered this subscription box before. I've ordered others, but I felt like in this time of like quarantine and just everything going on, I needed a little magic in my life. So I decided to give this one a try. So today we have an unboxing. So I ordered the bronze box and it was $64.99. Shipping was free. And I did find a coupon code online which gave me $10 off. So it was $64.99. So let's see what I got. Okay, so the first thing that I see is a certificate. And here it is. And it just says, if you can dream it, you can do it. And always let your conscience be your guide. May the magic of Disney be forever at your door. And then there is a little sheet here that says, more than a subscription, it's an experience. We hope you love your surprise, blah, 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 blah. And it gives the color codes, which is really nice because if you know park items, they have like, it'll say like blue or red or green and you never really know how much it is. But here is the guide that says how much everything is in your box. And here is the confetti in there, which is funny because this to me looks like St. Patrick's Day, doesn't it? It looks like, you know, St. Patrick's Day. So anyway, let's dig in. Oh my God. So the first thing that I see is an apron, which I am super excited about. If you have been watching my videos, you know I'm doing this like whole series on Disney snacks you can make at home. And I think I actually put like as a preference that I wanted like snack merchandise. So the fact that I got this apron is everything. It is super cute. The fabric is really nice. It feels like maybe it has a little bit of canvas in there or something. Like it's maybe wipeable. It's definitely washable because it does feel like cotton. And then look at the pocket. It has the Mickey bar. Oh my goodness. Like look at the print on this. Oh wow. Isn't that the cutest? Let's see, does it have a price on there? $34.99. This is definitely something that I'm gonna be using and I'm super excited about. Okay, next is this. This is a little silicone trivet, which I love. I love items that are useful, things that I can actually, you know, use in my house versus tchotchkes, because you can see the wall behind me and this is really the only place in our house where we have like tchotchkes and kind of like dust collectors. We're kind of minimalist, I guess. So this, I love this. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see. Maybe, yeah, like right there. Can you see just all of the Disney iconic, I don't even know what you would call them, but I see like Space Mountain. I see the Walt statue. On my side, I see like a pirate's flag. I can't even tell everything. Teacups. Look at that. That's really cute. I love this to put on the counter for, you know, hot things, or I even use them on the dining room table when I don't want, like if something's just warmer. So it is $14.99. That's kind of a lot for that, isn't it? I don't know. Super cute though. Really excited about that. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look at that. It's a little pouch and it has an apple on it. And one of my preferences is Snow White. Snow White. My son loves Dopey, and so Snow White is just, you know, he thinks that I'm Snow White. And so it's just something that I like to collect. It kind of reminds me of him. This is a cute little pouch. Does not probably hold a ton, but I could see me using this just in my purse, like for a couple like little lipsticks, especially when I'm using a little purse. So the price on this is $19.95. Wow, this is a Parks item. $19.95. That seems ridiculous, but I would never pay $19.95 for that, would you? I don't know. Okay, and there is something else in the box. Oh, there's a couple things in the box. Oh, wow. So here is a little pouch with some jewelry. No, no, it's not jewelry. It's actually a keychain. And oh my goodness, that's so cute. Okay, so let me put this down, hold on. Okay, so here it is close up. So it is a keychain and it's Sorcerer Mickey, who's my favorite. And it says Walt Disney World, and then this little thing spins. And so it is the globe from Epcot. It is the castle. It is the Tree of Life. And it is, I think that's Tower of Terror. I'm 99% sure that's Tower of Terror. Oh my goodness, I love that. I probably won't actually use this as a keychain because my car has keyless entry and we enter in the house through the garage, so I never get my keys out. I never see my keys. But I actually think I'm gonna put this like on a purse as kind of like a little bag charm because this is adorable. So excited. I've never seen this in the parks, and it is purple, which on the sheet says $9.99. And it looks like there's one more item in here, and that is, oh, that's so cute. There's a little postcard, and it has a little confetti on there. There you go. It is a postcard from the Wonderland Gallery. The price is $4.99. I don't know if I'd pay $4.99 for that, but I love this. It says Epcot. It's kind of retro, and it has like all the characters, which I love. The Three Caballeros is like, I love the ride. I think that they're adorable. This is so cute. This is definitely something that I would frame and probably put up in my office or put up behind me, but that is super cute. Super, super cute. Those are all the items that I received in my box. I personally am thrilled with this box. I feel like they nailed it. They listened to my preferences. I really love everything in the box. I went ahead and added it up, and the value of the items was $84.91. The box, the regular price on the box was $74.99. I paid $64.99, so I definitely feel like I got my values out of it. And for me, just the fact that really that they listened to my preferences and that the items that I received are items that I would use, which was something that I stressed in my preferences, and they listened to the, you know, the things that I wanted. I wanted snack, I wanted Snow White, I wanted the Three Caballeros, which is hard to find merch for that, and they did find it. And actually, as I looked on this again, look at, they have Figment and Journey into Imagination, which I love. That's so cool. I love this. I love this postcard. I'm obsessed with it. And Snow White and Sorcerer Mickey, those were my preferences, and they nailed it. I'm super excited with this box. It actually already auto-renewed, so I will be getting a June box. This was my May box, and I'm just really excited about it. Tell me in the comments below, what do you think of the items that I got? What was your favorite item? Do you get magic at your door? Because I've gotten other boxes, but I think this one might be the winner. I think I might stick with this one for a while. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!